Okay, everybody, after our little short nap, me and Filipina, because me and Filipina are going to, she wants to learn how to work on the airplane. But before we do that, I wanted to talk about something.
What?
Okay, here.
Okay.
Do you know what this is?
Yeah, that is there on the front.
Yeah, well, what they call this is an ELT. It's an emergency locator transponder. Okay.
Yeah.
You know what this is for?
Yeah, located.
Yeah. Well, when I wanted to talk, I wanted to tell people, because this is a good lesson. This is what happened when you crash an airplane. This faces forward. So what happens is, and you have an airplane and you're flying and you crash. This goes forward real fast. Hear that in there?
Yeah.
So what happens is there's something in there, it's a weight, and it goes forward. When it goes forward, it triggers an alarm. It sends out a frequency on 121.5 frequency out of here, and then they can pick that up, like rescue people. So that's how they find you if something happens.
Ah, okay.
So this airplane crashed, which is why I wanted to tell people about this before we took this apart. Is what happened was, with this airplane, hold that for me right there. This ELT, and this is a good lesson for people building an airplane. This ELT was located down here, okay? And here's parts of it. It was down here, just like that, under the seat. And it was got a bracket under it. When the seat crushed and this stuff came up, it crushed this. It crushed it, and it didn't work. So basically this did no good. It probably triggered for a second, like maybe not even probably a second, and when it crushed and broke it. The best place to put these is I'll show you.
Here. Under.
The best place to put these is actually like here, or anywhere, usually in this baggage area, because nothing in this baggage area got damaged. These are the batteries that were in it.
Oh, that's the battery over there?
Yeah, and they got crushed. So even the batteries got crushed.
Okay.
So putting these down there is not a good thing to do, because it did absolutely no good. You want to put it up here. This area here is more likely not
to put here.
Not to get damaged. Well, anywhere that's protected.
Yeah.
I mean, you could put it in there. But this is to store things, so it doesn't. This has got a bracket. So actually, probably back up in here would be good. Another thing that happened was, had a fire extinguisher. This fire extinguisher was never used.
Yeah.
It broke. So it emptied. This fire extinguisher emptied out because wherever this, I don't even know where this was mounted. I don't remember.
It's still full?
No, it's empty.
It's empty.
Yeah, but see that emptied out also, so this was no good. So this right here should be mounted up here also. You should mount these things up in this area where it's less likely to get damaged by impact.
And what is this also?
That's a
it
flashlight.
here?
Yeah, that was in there. So anyway, there's something I wanted to say before we started taking some more things apart.
What is this? For the pee?
I don't really even know what this is for.
Yeah, when you pee.
It's a caramel cookie crunch, and it was somebody made this, and I have no idea. It's probably.
I thought maybe they would like to pee.
Yeah, maybe.